Nokia TA1170 for *0 hash key. Not working.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward.
Let's go fix it.
It's kind of funny.
Remove board form phone.
The more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Remove the keypad sticker and clean the board.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe
Use a multimeter to check the reading of the buttons. Middle reading of *0 hash buttons does not work. Connect a jumper wire as shown.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's
A jumper wire is connected. Let's go check it.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
It's okay, good job.